Did you know that over 80% of drivers never fully explore the features their cars already have? That's right, your car might be hiding secrets you've never even heard of, and they could completely change the way you drive. From practical tricks that make everyday driving more convenient to hidden functions that can save you money, your vehicle has more to offer than meets the eye. Most car manufacturers include these features, yet they are often overlooked because they are not widely advertised or highlighted in the owner's manual. By the end of this video, you'll see your car in a whole new light, and trust me, secret number 5 will save you money, so be sure to stick around. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing car hacks and tips. 15. The parking brake trick for tight turns. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a sharp turn but couldn't quite maneuver your car as tightly as you'd like? Whether you're navigating a narrow driveway, an off-road path, or an icy parking lot, a well-executed turn can make all the difference. That's where the parking brake trick comes in. This technique, commonly used by rally drivers and stunt professionals, can help you make sharper turns by momentarily locking the rear wheels. When you gently pull up the parking brake while turning, the sudden loss of traction on the rear wheels allows the back end of the car to slide, pivoting more quickly around the corner. It's particularly useful in situations where traditional turning techniques don't work well, such as driving on slippery roads or when making tight U-turns in small spaces. However, it's essential to use this trick with caution. Precision and practice are required to execute it safely. Overusing this technique can put extra strain on your rear brakes and tires, causing premature wear. This method is not meant for everyday driving, but can be a game changer in the right scenario, helping you handle difficult turns like a pro. 14. The sun visor extension hack. We've all experienced the frustration of the sun glaring in our eyes while driving, making it difficult to see the road. While sun visors do provide some relief, they often fall short when the sun is at just the wrong angle. That's why many car manufacturers have built-in sun visor extensions, a hidden feature that most drivers don't even realize they have. In many cars, the sun visor isn't just a fixed flap. It has an extendable or sliding panel that can be pulled out for extra coverage. Some models even have an additional fold-out section that provides more protection against sunlight coming from the side window. This small but effective trick can make a huge difference, reducing eye strain and improving visibility while driving. To check if your car has this feature, try sliding or unfolding your visor. You may be surprised by the extra shade it provides. If your car doesn't have a built-in extension, aftermarket sun visor extenders are available and can be easily attached for improved comfort. 13. Emergency trunk release, a hidden safety feature. Did you know that most modern cars are equipped with a glow-in-the-dark emergency trunk release lever? This feature is designed as a safety measure and can be crucial in an emergency. If someone is ever accidentally locked inside the trunk, whether it's a child playing around or a more serious scenario, the emergency release allows them to escape quickly. This feature is especially useful in situations where the trunk is locked from the outside, making it impossible to open through traditional means. Most emergency trunk release levers are located inside the trunk, often near the latch mechanism. They are designed to be easy to spot in low light conditions, typically glowing in the dark or featuring a bright color. To familiarize yourself with this safety feature, take a moment to locate the lever in your car. Knowing where it is and how it works could make all the difference in an emergency. 12. DIY air filter replacement, a simple money-saving trick. Many drivers assume that replacing the car's air filter is a complicated task that requires a professional mechanic. However, it's one of the simplest maintenance tasks you can do yourself, and it can save you money while improving your car's performance. The air filter plays a vital role in keeping dirt, debris, and other pollutants from entering your engine. Over time, it becomes clogged, restricting airflow and reducing fuel efficiency. A dirty air filter can cause your engine to work harder, leading to increased fuel consumption and decreased acceleration. Replacing the air filter is easy and takes less than 10 minutes. Simply pop open the hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a rectangular black box near the engine. Release the clips or screws holding it in place, remove the old filter, and check its condition. If it appears dirty or discolored, it's time for a replacement. New filters are available at most auto parts stores for around $10 to $20. Once installed, your engine will breathe easier, improving performance and fuel economy. 11. Auto roll windows using the key fob. Did you know that many modern cars allow you to roll down all the windows at once using your key fob? This hidden feature is especially useful on hot summer days when your car's interior feels like an oven. On many vehicles, holding down the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds will automatically lower all the windows. Some models even allow you to roll them back up by holding the lock button. This trick helps to quickly ventilate your car before getting in, reducing the time it takes for the air conditioning to cool things down. Not all cars have this feature enabled by default, so check your owner's manual or experiment with your key fob to see if it works. Once you discover it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. 10. Wiper blade reversal for longevity. Wiper blades wear out over time, often leaving streaks and reducing visibility. Instead of replacing them frequently, you can extend their lifespan with a simple trick, flipping them. Many wiper blades are symmetrical, meaning you can detach and rotate them 180 degrees to distribute wear evenly. This helps prevent uneven pressure and extends their lifespan, reducing the need for replacements. The process takes just a couple of minutes but can save you money and ensure clear visibility during rainy weather. 9. Fuel efficiency through weight reduction. Did you know that reducing the weight of your car can significantly improve fuel efficiency? The more weight your car carries, the harder the engine has to work, leading to increased fuel consumption. Start by clearing out unnecessary items from your trunk and back seat. Heavy tools, unused equipment, and sports gear that you don't need for daily commuting should be removed. Even a small reduction in weight can lead to noticeable fuel savings over time. Additionally, removing roof racks or cargo carriers when they're not in use can reduce drag and improve aerodynamics. Keeping your tires properly inflated also complements weight reduction by decreasing rolling resistance. These small changes can make a big difference in fuel economy, helping you save money while extending the life of your vehicle. 8. Cleaning headlights with toothpaste. Over time, your car's headlights can become cloudy due to oxidation caused by UV exposure and road debris. This can significantly reduce visibility at night and make your vehicle look older. While professional headlight restoration kits cost between $20 to $50, there's an easy DIY alternative using something you likely already have at home: toothpaste. To restore clarity to your headlights, start by washing them with soap and water to remove dirt. Next, apply a small amount of non-gel toothpaste, around $2 per tube, to the lens. Using a soft cloth or sponge, rub the toothpaste in circular motions, focusing on foggy areas. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste help remove the oxidized layer, bringing back clarity. After scrubbing for a few minutes, rinse with water and wipe dry. For extra protection, apply a layer of car wax, $5 to $10, to prevent future oxidation. This quick, low-cost hack not only improves nighttime visibility, but also gives your car a polished and refreshed look. 7. Heated seats for food warming. Ever struggled with keeping takeout food warm while driving home? If your car has heated seats, you already have a built-in solution. This trick is perfect for keeping your pizza, burgers, or casseroles warm on the go. To use this hack, place the food on the passenger seat and turn on the heated seat feature to your preferred level. The gentle warmth keeps the meal from cooling down before you reach your destination. For extra stability, wrap the food in a towel or place it inside a bag to prevent spills. While this trick is especially useful in colder months, it can be handy year-round for long drives. Heated seats aren't just for comfort anymore, they double as an efficient food warmer. 6. Learning the L gear on automatic transmissions. If you drive an automatic car, you might have noticed an L gear on your transmission. Most drivers ignore it, but understanding how to use it can provide better control in certain driving situations. The L gear stands for low gear, which limits the transmission to lower gears, providing more torque and engine braking. This is particularly useful when driving downhill, towing heavy loads, or navigating steep inclines. By engaging the L gear, you reduce strain on your brakes as the engine helps slow the car down naturally. It's also handy in snowy or icy conditions as it gives better traction and prevents wheels from spinning too quickly. To use it, simply shift into L when extra control or power is needed. Unlike regular automatic driving, the car won't shift to higher gears, keeping the engine optimized for the task at hand. 5. Coin slot and fuel cap door. Did you know that many cars have a hidden slot inside the fuel cap compartment? This small but clever feature is designed to hold the fuel cap while refueling. Instead of letting the cap dangle or resting it on the car, which can scratch the paint, simply place it in the designated slot. This makes refueling easier and ensures you don't forget the cap at the pump. Most drivers don't realize this feature exists, but it's a small touch that makes the refueling process more convenient. Check your car's fuel cap door the next time you fill up. You might be surprised to find this hidden gem. 4. Battery reconditioning. Car batteries can be expensive to replace, often costing between $100 to $200. However, if you have a non-sealed lead-acid battery, you can extend its life with a simple reconditioning process using distilled water $1 per gallon. Over time, the water inside a battery evaporates evaporates, causing performance to drop. To restore efficiency, remove the battery from the car while wearing gloves and safety glasses. If it has removable caps, open them and check the water level inside each cell. If the plates inside are exposed, it's a sign that water levels are too low. Carefully add distilled water using a funnel, making sure not to overfill. Once done, reseal the caps and reinstall the battery. This process can improve battery performance and extend its lifespan, potentially saving you the cost of a new battery. However, handle it with care to avoid spills or damage. 3. Hood prop rod hooks. If your car's hood is supported by a manual prop rod, you may have struggled with finding a place to store it when not in use. Fortunately, many cars come with small hooks or clips near the engine bay to securely hold the rod. After using the prop rod to keep the hood open, place it back into the designated hook or clip. This prevents it from rattling or bouncing while driving, keeping the engine bay organized and noise-free. While this feature is rarely mentioned in car manuals, it's a thoughtful addition by manufacturers that makes maintaining your vehicle easier. 2. Using a pool noodle to protect car doors. If you frequently park in tight spaces, you've probably worried about accidentally hitting your car door against a wall or another vehicle. An easy solution is to use a pool noodle, $5, as a door protector. Cut a pool noodle in half and attach it to the garage wall where your car door would normally hit. This simple barrier absorbs impact and prevents dents and scratches. You can also attach a small piece to the edge of your car door itself using double-sided tape, $3. This hack is especially useful for garages with limited space or for protecting kids from flinging doors open too hard. 1. DIY air freshener with essential oils. Car air fresheners can be pricey, often costing $5 to $10 each and needing frequent replacements. Instead, create a long-lasting natural air freshener using essential oils and a wooden clothespin, $1. Simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender, citrus, or mint, onto the clothespin and clip it onto your car's air vent. When you turn on the air conditioning, the scent will circulate throughout the car. Since essential oils come in various scents and last longer than store-bought fresheners, this DIY method saves money and avoids artificial chemicals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.